Hello, how do you do? If this is your first visit to my channel, subscribe my channel because I solve every single question for you on daily basis. Today we start natural and whole numbers property. This is very trivial topic, but also it is very important topic to you. Please listen it carefully and learn. And these are basically mathematics rule which you have to thoroughly learn. Number one, property of addition. The sum of natural numbers. Sum of two natural or whole numbers remain unchanged if the number interchange their places. For example, 0 plus 12 is equal to 12 and 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. 71 plus 25 is equal to 96 and 25 plus 71 is equal to 96. 71 plus 25 is equal to 25 plus 71. This property is called commutative property of addition. B. The sum of three numbers remain unchanged if the order in which they are grouped is altered. For example, alter means change. If we change the order of the numbers. 2 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. In both cases, the answer will be is equal to 12. 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 2 plus 10 is equal to 12. 2 plus 3 plus 7, 2 plus 3 plus 7 in brackets is equal to 7. This is the second example. This is called the associative property of addition. Subtraction. Property of subtraction. If a natural or whole number is subtracted from an other natural or whole number, the difference may not always be natural or whole number. If the number is subtracted from another number large than equal to it, the result is natural or whole number. In all other cases, the result is not natural or whole number. For example, 12 is bigger than 5. 12 is bigger than 5. When we subtract 5 from 12, the answer will be 7, which is whole number. Also, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. This is also whole number. But 7 is less than 12. When we subtract 12 from 7, the result will not be whole number. It will be minus 5, which is an integer that is not a whole number. This property is the main thing is this: the number of the greater number. If we subtract from 12, the answer will not be whole number. This is mean of this property. Property number 2, subtraction. The result of subtracting a natural or whole number from another is not same if the number are interchanged. For example, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2, which is not a whole number. Thus, 5 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 5. The commutative property does not apply to subtraction. See, the result of subtracting three natural whole numbers grouped differently is not given the same result. 7 minus 5 minus 2 may be solved into a and this will not be give you equal answer. If we solve in the first method, 7 minus 5 minus 2, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. If we solve with the second method, 7 minus 5 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. The associative property does not apply to subtraction. D. If 0 is subtracted from a natural or whole number, the result is number itself. But if natural or whole numbers other than 0 is subtracted from 0, the result is not natural or whole number. For example, 5 minus 0 is equal to 5, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. These two numbers are whole numbers. And 0 minus 5 is equal to minus 0, which is not whole number. This is said, this property. Multiplication, repeated addition. Property of multiplication, the product of two whole numbers is whole number. For example, 13 multiplied by 1 is equal to 13. 5 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. And 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 46. These three numbers are whole numbers. This is the closure property of multiplication. The closure property applies to natural numbers. Number third property, property of multiplication. A property of multiplication, repeated addition. The product of two whole numbers is a whole number. For example, 13 multiplied by 1 is equal to 13 and 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to. This is called closure property. Thus the closure property is held in multiplication. B property, the product of two whole numbers remain unchanged if the numbers interchange their places. 12 multiplied by 5 is equal to 60. 5 multiplied by 12 is equal to 60. This property is called commutative property of multiplication. This is also hold. This is also applies. C. The product of three numbers taken in particular order is unchanged if the group of the numbers is altered. This means if the group of number is changed, the answer will be the same. 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6. Whether we write 4 multiplied by 5 by 6 or 4 multiplied by 6 by 5, in both cases the resultant will be 120. This is the associative property of multiplication. D. The product of whole numbers and 0 is the product of whole number and 0 is a 0. It means if we multiply whole number with 0 is equal to 0, this will be whole number. 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, this is whole number. 0 multiplied by 15 is equal to 0, this is whole number. E. The product of whole number and the sum of two or more whole numbers grouped together is equal to the sum of product of the former number and each of the group number. For example, 5 multiplied by 6 plus 7 and 5, this is equal to 5 multiplied by 13 is equal to 65. If we rearrange or in different order, if we multiply it in different order, we multiply 5 by 6 plus 5 by 7, the result will be also 65. This is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. The distributive property of multiplication over addition also applies to the natural number. Property of division. Division, repeated subtraction. What do you mean by repeated subtraction? Repeated subtraction means the division is actually the method of subtracting over and over. This mean repeated subtraction. Property of division. If a whole number is divided by another non-zero whole number, the result quotient is not necessarily a whole number. For example, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2, which is whole number. 2 divided by 4, the resultant will not be a whole number. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not a whole number. This is the rational number. Therefore, it is not necessary in division. The number will be whole number. Here 2 is not a multiple of 4, whereas 10 is a multiple of 5. This is the first case. Number B, the quotient of whole number and another non-zero whole number change if the dividend and the divisor interchange. For example, 8 divided by 4, the answer is whole number. If we interchange these numbers, 4 divided by 8, the answer will not be whole number. This will be rational number. The commutative property does not apply. This property is called commutative, but this does not apply to the division of the whole number. 3 whole numbers are taken in particular order and the quotient of the first and the second is divided by third. The result is not same as the first is divided by the quotient of the second and the third. For example, 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 is equal to 1. But 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 is not equal to 1. This is equal to 4. Therefore, this is not equal to this. The associative property also does not apply to the division of whole number. A whole number divided by 1 gives a quotient which is number itself. For example, 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4 and 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. 0 divided by any non-whole number will give 0 as a quotient. For example, 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0 and 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. That is all. The properties of natural and whole numbers are covered. Now you forget to subscribe my channel.